This is KCBD serving the city of Lubbock. I am Charlie Blaze, and this is your evening news. The weather for tomorrow is going to be a sunny day. Temperatures for tomorrow will be in the 60s. And now for the top stories. Reports say that someone has found 5 animatronics that represents Chuck E. Cheese's, but the animatronics are from 1977 at Pizza Time Theater. The animatronics are the old design back from the day. And now they are putting away from the mascot room at Chuck E. Cheese's, so no matter what, do not go to the mascot room. It is unknown if they are activated or not. They might be dangerous to go near them. However, it seems like that the animatronics are dead, because they are old and broken. But anyways, that's all I have for. Wait, hold on. I am getting word that the emergency alert system is going to activate. Please stay tuned for the emergency alert system.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Lubbock Police Department and the National Center for Missing Exploited Children. An Amber Alert has been issued for the city of Lubbock at approximately 6:26 p.m. Central Standard Time. 2 children have been abducted from their homes at the city of Lubbock. The first child's name is Logan Blake, a white male, age 7, with black hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a green shirt, blue jeans, and black shoes. The second child's name is Emma Hards, a white female, age 8, with blonde hair and black eyes. She was last seen wearing a white shirt, black pants, and pink shoes. The children are in extreme danger. The person who was responsible for the abduction has not been identified, but police officers are going to try and find the children and the person. All residents are advised to stay in your homes during this time. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade any entrance at all time. Make sure you guys protect your children and keep them away from strangers. It is unknown if the suspect is dangerous or not, but residents did see a shadow that represents a mouse costume. It is unknown if this shadow is connected to the abduction, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. If you see the suspect or the children anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. Stay safe, stay calm, and protect your children from strangers. Stay tuned for more information on this situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Lubbock Police Department. A local area emergency has been issued for the city of Lubbock and the entire state of Texas at approximately 6:46 p.m. Central Standard Time. The suspect with an unknown mouse costume has finally been identified. It turns out that the suspect is not a human being. Instead, it's the Chuck E. Cheese animatronic from 1977 at Pizza Time Theater. The animatronic is wearing a red and yellow hat, a black bow tie, a yellow shirt, and a red jacket. The animatronic is responsible for the child abduction. The 2 children were found safe in an abandoned Chuck E. Cheese's building, but the animatronic is on the loose in the city of Lubbock, and attacking and killing anyone it sees. The location of the animatronic is currently unknown at this time. Police officers are going to find the animatronic and get rid of it once and for all. All residents are strongly advised to stay in your homes during this time. Lock all doors and windows. Barricade any entrance that will block the animatronic for coming in your house. Turn off all air conditioning and heating system during this time. If you see the animatronic anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If the animatronic breaks into your home, use any illegal items or weapons at all time. This includes legal force. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Lubbock Police Department. This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. A civil emergency message has been issued for the city of Lubbock and the entire state of Texas. At approximately 7:13 p.m. Central Standard Time, the Chuck E. Cheese animatronic was seen firing guns and throwing knives at the city of Lubbock. Residents who got killed by the animatronic was seen laying down with their bodies covered in blood. Their eyes popped out. There was a knife in their head and went through their brains. Their stomach has huge bite marks all over their stomach, and their legs were cut off. This is a very dangerous situation and should not be approached. The location of the animatronic still remains unknown. Police officers have confirmed that the animatronic is possessed and cannot be stopped. The military are on their way to find the animatronic and destroy it. All residents are strongly advised to stay in your homes and don't go outside. Lock every single doors and windows. Make sure you keep your children safe from the animatronic. If you see the animatronic anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If you hear any Chuck E. Cheese music or songs near your area, do not attempt to follow the sound. This will put yourself in danger. It is unknown if more animatronics will also be possessed, but it cannot be confirmed at this time. Continue to monitor local media outlets for further information on this developing situation.
Strange in your neighborhood, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! If it's something weird and it don't look good, who you gonna call? Ghostbusters! I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Lubbock Police Department. A law enforcement warning has been issued for the city of Lubbock and the entire state of Texas at approximately 8:00 p.m. Central Standard Time. It was now been confirmed that 4 new animatronics were seen roaming the streets of Lubbock, attacking and killing anyone in sight. These animatronics are also from the old Chuck E. Cheese place from 1977 at Pizza Time Theater. The description of the animatronics was quickly found. The first animatronic represents Helen Henny. She is a white chicken, wearing a white and pinkish purplish shirt, and has a ukulele to kill its victims. The second animatronic represents Mr. Munch. He is a purple monster, with yellow hair and a giant yellow spot in the chest. He can kill his victims by eating them alive like he is eating pizza. The third animatronic represents Jasper T. Jowls. He is a brown dog, wearing a light brown hat, a red shirt, and blue overalls. He also have a guitar that makes people go deaf when he plays it loud. The fourth animatronic represents Pasquale the chef. He is a white male human, wearing a chef hat, and he is wearing a chef uniform. He can attack his victims by stabbing or slicing them with his knife or a pizza cutter. They are a part of Chuck E. Cheese band and they are on the loose in the city of Lubbock. The location of the 5 animatronics is currently unknown at this time. All residents are strongly advised to turn off all lights around your house. Make sure you have a flashlight in case if the animatronics are inside. If you see the animatronics anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If one of the animatronics breaks into your home, you have to remain calm and get out of the house. Fighting the animatronics will not work. Stay tuned for more information on this serious situation.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the Lubbock Police Department. The situation involving the animatronics have just gotten worse than before. Reports say that the animatronics are now teleporting into different areas, and also throwing bombs in the city of Lubbock. Chucky was seen biting off people's heads off. Helen was seen scratching residents. Their body was filled with scratches and blood was leaking off of their body. Mr. Munch was seen crushing residents with his super strength hands. Their heads and stomach was crushed, and there was blood all over the house. Jasper was seen stabbing residents with his guitar through their mouths. Their hole inside was bleeding everywhere, and even their eye. Pastley was seen slicing residents with his pizza cutting. Their body parts were seen lying around the ground. These animatronics are extremely dangerous and can cause people to commit suicide. All residents are strongly advised to seek shelter in place at all time. Make sure your shelter is strong enough to close the door. If no shelter is available, try to hide in a closet or a room with no windows. Do not make any noise. Do not leave your house. Turn off all electronic devices. If you see the animatronics anywhere near your area, call 911 immediately. If one of the animatronics breaks into your house, try your best to get out of the house. If you hear any Chuck E. Cheese songs or music in your house or shelter, do not attempt to follow the sound. This will lead you to the animatronics. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems should transmit this message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate with the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is KCBD. We will continue to serve the Lubbock area. If you are not in the Lubbock area, you should now tune into station providing news and information for your area. This is the emergency alert system. Broadcasting the Lubbock area, do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency uses. The emergency alert system has been activated. Stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking shortly. The following message is transmitted by the request of the President himself and the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is in America. Our world is about to come to an end. It has now been confirmed that the Chuck E. Cheese animatronics have the ability to travel in the light of speed, meaning that they will kill everyone within the next 15 minutes. The animatronics have killed every police officer in the city of Lubbock. The military has given up on killing the animatronics. There is no way to stop the animatronics. All attempts on taking down the animatronics have failed. All we can do now is to spend our final moments here before the end. All residents are advised to gather with friends and family until the end. Spend as much time with them. Cherish every moment you have until it is time to say goodbye. We'll now sign off with the final broadcast. Stay tuned for the final broadcast in the emergency alert system. Goodbye everyone. We'll see each other in the afterlife.
What so proudly we hail at the
Administrative message. The following message is transmitted by the request of the Lubbock Police Department. All clear. I repeat, all clear. As the animatronics were about to kill everyone in the state of Texas, rain falls down from the sky, and it deactivates the animatronics. All 5 animatronics are now officially destroyed, and cannot be possessed. The military have taken the animatronics and thrown them away to the dumpster. In addition, all Chuck E. Cheese places are closed until further notice. You are now free to leave your shelter. It will take approximately 5 years to repair all of the damage that the animatronics caused. Your government thanks for your cooperation. The military will try and clean off all of the blood in the road, so it will be safe to drive. We thank you for participating in the emergency alert system. Normal programming may now resume.